Hi, my name is Ben with Weber State's Science in the Parks program. We go to different parks during the summer and we do a lot of fun science projects. On Monday we do a See It Day where we play with a lot of things. I have a couple things here. These are some polarized lenses. These are just some filters with different colors. This is a big filter. It's red. And here's some lenses. And here's a prism. And I'm going to just go over briefly over these different things and how you can have fun with them at home maybe. So this is a polarized lens. So you can see through these two right now, but if I turn this one, it goes black. So they actually have polarized lenses at the gas pump where they have how many gallons you bought and for how much. And if you're wearing your polarized sunglasses and you look at it, they're set up just right so that you can't see. They actually go black, so you have to take off your sunglasses to see the gas pump numbers. So if we could get a microscope and look really close, what there is there's just lines going across this really fine. They're nanometers apart. And then when they cross and they're perpendicular, you can't see through them, but when they're parallel, you can see through them. So that's our polarized lens. Here we have different filters. So here's, for example, here's a yellow one, here's a red one. It makes everything red, makes everything yellow. But if we're to combine them, orange. Here we have some glasses with combinations. So there's a blue and a yellow here, a blue and a red here, So when we look through it, the blue and the red makes purple, and the blue and yellow make green. So these are just some glasses that we bought from offline. They're called Primary Science, from Primary Science. They're color mixing glasses, so you could get those off of line. It's a learning resource is the brand. So, and then right here we have a giant red filter. This is really cool. So we can see what this filter does to these different colors we have. If you look, you can't even see that 3 anymore. The 2 is still there a little bit, and the red's number 1's there a little bit too. Then it makes that 5 almost black. Ooh, fun. So we just have fun with things like this. I have a couple lenses here. So these are 2 convex lenses. If you fill across the lens, it's narrower on the outside and thicker on the inside. It's kind of like a hill. And you see what it does. It makes things larger. And then we have a concave lens, and it's like a valley. It's thicker on the edges and thinner in the middle. And as it goes across, makes things smaller. Galileo used actually a concave and a convex lens when he was doing his studies. He would combine the two, so the concave was his eyepiece, and then he used the convex lens to magnify. Maybe look around with those 2 lenses. Magnifies things, and that's how Galileo made his telescope. Today they have 2 types. There's the astronomical and Galileo telescopes. Astronomical uses 2 convex lenses, and still magnifies, but you'll notice that the image is inverted or upside down. So this is also like a convex lens because it magnifies, makes things bigger. But this is called a Fresnel lens, and it's used in like lighthouses because it's a light way to make a lens. It's a lot more lightweight compared to a solid piece of glass. So these probably weigh about the same, but this is way bigger. This is just a grid or a bunch of Fresnel lenses stick together, and you get a whole bunch of different images, so that's fun as well. And right here we have a prism, and we can separate light with the prism and get some rainbow action here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So light is made up of a whole bunch of different colors, and the prism is separating those colors, and you can get the red, the yellow, the green, and the blue and purple. So that's just some of the things that we do on our See It Day at Science in the Park. So hope you can come join us, and we'll see you next time.